Hello from yet another nudist beach spot in Stockholm, more specifically Nacka. This is Källtorp, Södra, as it is called, and marked as a nudist beach on the Scandinavian Turistportalen. And I'm in luck because now the sun is up, despite having mostly cloudy earlier today, and even I had some light rain on my way here through the forest that you have seen. My Scott gravel bike got me here and it's 10 kilometers exactly from my home. Around half of it, 6 kilometers is 6.5 maybe it is road, and 3.5 it is through the forest, the nature reserve that is everywhere in Stockholm. As you have been If you have been following my adventures, you can see that there is trees and forest everywhere you turn, nature everywhere, and lakes and water and sea for sure. Beach day number 101. Yesterday I celebrated 100 beach days at Stora Flattenbadet, so go check out that video and hype it as well, as currently it is in the top 100 hyped videos in Sweden. So I really need your help if you appreciate my content to hype the videos that you like on my channel. So yeah, the sun is up again, and which means that we are gonna be heading out for yet another beach adventure here on this nudist beach. I was here 19 days ago, it seems, and back then it was 23 degrees in the water, I believe, and 19 in the air, but I don't think it's going to be that warm today. I'm struggling to think that, and we're gonna find out very soon if that is the case. So let's head to the waters while I show you more of this beautiful nature. But this beach in particular I have shown you several times before already, but it hasn't gone viral yet, so maybe now is the time. So I have been receiving lots of views on my channel lately, which is amazing and tremendous, and thank you all to my subscribers, and especially thanks to my members that get also some extra content on my channel in the form of exclusive shorts from my beach adventures, and also priority in the comments, replying the comments for sure. All right, Källtorp again, but Källtorp on the south side. Beautiful nature, and with the sun it looks absolutely fantastic. The day is 25th of August today, and currently it is 1:45 p.m. and there will be some more sun and hot weather coming up later this week, which I really look forward to, and it's going to be amazing for sure. And it seems that the cold water is here, as we have only 17 degrees Celsius in the lake, and this is the coldest that I'm gonna be in since June, maybe, I don't know, it's been a while, I don't remember, but we are definitely going in for a swim. And August is almost over, but I think that in September the weather is gonna surprise us in Stockholm, and I have plans to visit some of the islands in the archipelago in mid-September, so fingers crossed that it's gonna be great. All right, let's then get going and show you some underwater stuff here in the Lake Källtorp. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit chilly as it is only 14 degrees Celsius in the air, but if you have the proper clothes after the swim, it's perfectly fine for sure. All right. I'm not gonna be swimming longer today. I'm gonna do that in my swimming pool, local swimming pool, but I'm gonna be going in for a dip for sure. Ready, set, go! Amazing, brilliant as always. Another beach adventure with Chris. Summer is continuing, despite there are claims that they're gonna declare meteorological autumn here in Stockholm soon. They have already declared it in the north part of Sweden, but let's see how long we're gonna have the actual summer in Stockholm. And the sad thing is that once they declare autumn, you can't go back to summer, but it can be summer temperatures again. So with this view, you can see my view from the water now. It's time to wrap up this beach adventure and for me to get back to my day and cycle back home. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.